Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're embarking on an exciting journey to master social media. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, this video is your ultimate guide to thriving on every platform. We'll take you through each step to help you succeed in the dynamic world of social media. Let's dive right in. 1. Understanding social media landscape. Start by understanding the diverse social media landscape. Learn about popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Understanding each platform's unique features and audience will be the foundation of your social media success. 2. Defining your social media goals. Identify your social media goals. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or fostering engagement, having clear objectives will shape your social media strategy. 3. Creating a consistent brand identity. Craft a consistent brand identity across all social media platforms. Learn the importance of visuals, tone, and messaging to ensure your brand stands out and resonates with your audience. 4. Engaging in content creation. Explore content creation strategies that captivate your audience. Learn to produce visually appealing images, videos, and captions that align with your brand and evoke meaningful interactions. 5. Building and nurturing your community. Master the art of community building. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages, and create a supportive and interactive social media community. 6. Social media advertising and promotion. Discover the power of social media advertising. Learn how to create and optimize paid campaigns to reach your target audience effectively. Explore ad formats, targeting options, and budgeting to maximize your return on investment. 7. Analyzing metrics and refining strategies. Measure your social media performance using analytics tools. Track metrics such as reach, engagement, conversions, and audience demographics. Use data insights to refine your strategies and make data-driven decisions. 8. Staying up to date with trends. Stay informed about the latest social media trends and features. Embrace emerging platforms and adapt your content strategy to stay relevant and ahead of the competition. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering social media. By following these points, you're well on your way to thriving on every platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tutorials and tips.